Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you like this look, please keep watching. Before I apply my makeup, I am doing my skin prep. Here I'm using the Embryo Lease Moisturizer, and I am also using the Madison Beauty Glowtopia oil. Here I am using the Urban Decay Primer Potion to prime my eyelids before I apply my eyeshadow to ensure that my eyeshadow will last all day. My favorite way to blend out this primer is using my fingers because I feel like it blends the best that way. And then I set it with a translucent powder so that the eyeshadow can glide on it more smoothly. So I'm going to go in with the KKW Beauty and Mario palette in the shade Miami to warm up my crease. I am slowly building up the color here and making sure I'm blending it really well so that I don't have any harsh edges. Next, I'm taking the shade Loyalty in order to build up the color in my crease and add more depth and dimension. Again, I am slowly building up the color and making sure that I have it blended really well so that I don't have any harsh edges and it looks really soft and blended. Next, I'm going in with this Maybelline color tattoo on my eyelids. The reason I'm using this is so that when I apply the loose glitter afterwards, it has something to stick to. Now I'm gonna apply the Pear loose shimmer on my eyelids, and this is the shade Champagne, and this will add a more pop of shimmer to the eyelids. Now I'm going in with my Dose of Colors eyeliner so that I can do a wing line. And the way I apply my wing liner is that I do small stroke motions so that I can keep control of my hand and not get too thick with the liner. And what I love to do is take a black eyeshadow and smoke out the wing liner at the edges so that it can give more like a sultry, sexy, smoky look. Now I'm going in with the Urban Decay Pervision Mascara before I apply my lashes. I applied my lashes off camera and now I'm just going in with some more mascara. Now I'm taking the green corrector and I'm just applying that onto any blemishes I have or any redness on my face. And if you don't know why I'm using a green concealer, that is because green cancels out redness. So if you have any pimples or any other redness on your face, the green will help cancel that out. Next, I'm taking the Glowtopia oil and I'm blending that into my cream contour shade in order to break down the product because cream contour or foundations are way thicker than any normal regular liquid foundation, so a little goes a long way. Now I'm just applying that cream contour shade everywhere that I want to contour. After applying my contour, I went in and just blended it out with a brush and a beauty sponge. For my foundation, I'm going in with the Face Atelier in the shade 2. And I'm going to be blending my foundation over the contour I did. And when it comes to cream contour, you can do it the other way as well. So if you want, you can add foundation first and then contour over. It just depends how you prefer. And for my skin tone, I like to go in with a light yellow corrector in order to brighten up my under eyes or anywhere on my face that I don't want darkness. And for anyone who has a darker skin tone, you can use a red corrector for this step in order to cancel out any darkness under your eye. For concealer, I'm going in with the LC Cosmetics concealer, and I'm going to be applying that directly underneath my eyes. One of the things I like about this concealer is how the metal tip feels really cooling on the under eyes, so it feels like I'm depuffing my eyes while I'm applying my concealer. Now I'm just taking my beauty sponge and blending that out before I set it with my Airspun translucent powder. After setting my face, I'm going in with my Too Faced bronzer to bronze my face and add more contour. For blush, I'm going in with my LC Cosmetics Pink Lagoon shade. And then I'm going to mix the shade Captivating, it's a more peachy tone from Tarte Cosmetics, into that blush and kind of give it a peach but still pink tone. And here I'm just blending out that blush because I put a lot as usual. I'm going back into the shade Loyalty and applying that underneath my eyes to smoke it out. Then I took the shade Decade and I'm applying that to the inner corner of my eyes to brighten that up. Next, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter in the shade So Hollywood. For my lips, I am going in with a taupe shade to contour and overline my lips a little to make it look more full. Then I'm applying the matte liquid lip from Mellow Cosmetics in the shade Tehran. If you use the link down below and apply the code MELLOW15, you will get 15% off your purchase. This matte liquid lipstick has been one of my go-tos because I really do love the shade. Then I went in with a dose of colors in the shade Can You Not Gloss on the center of my lips. And lastly, I just went in with the Mario Badescu spray to set my makeup. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I hope you all have a happy new year.